Hello budding artists and creative minds. Welcome to my channel Watching You. Today, I am going to draw and walk you through the character Nostalgia from the movie Inside Out. In Disney Pixar's 2024 animated feature Inside Out 2, Nostalgia is introduced as a minor character and the 10th emotion within Riley Anderson's mind. Though she appears shortly after the arrival of other new emotions, she is considered premature in her arrival. Like anxiety, envy, embarrassment, and ennui from the previous film, nostalgia is not yet needed, as anxiety points out that Riley has 10 years, 2 graduations, and a best friend's wedding before her role becomes relevant. Despite being the oldest emotion in Riley's mental landscape, nostalgia's debut comes shortly after the other new emotions make their entrance. She reminisces about the recent time when she, alongside anxiety, envy, ennui, and embarrassment, joined headquarters, a memory still vivid, having happened just 30 seconds ago. Though her presence may be ahead of its time, nostalgia reassures her fellow emotions that she will stay involved and updated as they await her moment to contribute. As her name suggests, nostalgia is the very embodiment of sentimental longing for the past, often reminiscing about times or places with happy personal associations. Characterized by her sweetness and deep affection for bygone moments, she has a unique tendency to dwell on memories, even those that are quite recent. Drop your favorite character in the comments and share a moment when you felt their presence strongly. Maybe you had a day full of laughter with joy or found yourself embracing the comfort of sadness. Your experiences can help us appreciate these characters even more. Children often have mixed reactions to nostalgia. On one hand, they might find the character intriguing and relatable as they start to develop their own memories and experiences. The concept of looking back on past moments, whether happy or sad, can be a powerful and engaging one. On the other hand, younger kids might not fully grasp the depth of nostalgia's role and might be more focused on the more overtly expressive emotions like joy or sadness. Her presence is marked by unexpected appearances, usually to remind the other emotions of recent events or fond memories. For instance, nostalgia might suddenly resurface to reflect on how she and the other new emotions arrived at headquarters just 30 seconds ago, or to fondly recount moments spent with Bree and Grace. Despite her enthusiasm, she is often told to return downstairs since her time has not yet come. Nonetheless, she reassures her fellow emotions that she will always be available downstairs, ready to step in whenever needed, and to keep the spirit of reminiscence alive. In Riley's mind, nostalgia is portrayed as an elderly lady, embodying her role with a distinctly sentimental and timeless aura. Her appearance reflects her essence. She has a gray-toned complexion and wears a brown dress complemented by a green and pink plaid shawl. Her taupe-colored skin is gently wrinkled, and her sepia-hued curly hair adds to her vintage charm. Completing her outfit are dark red plaid slippers, which add a touch of warmth to her attire. Nostalgia's look is finalized with white and pink gradient-rimmed glasses, featuring pink lenses that enhance her nostalgic, endearing presence. Nostalgia stands out not only as the oldest emotion in Riley's mind in terms of her role but also in her appearance. And if you haven't seen Inside Out 2 yet, don't worry. The sequel continues to explore our inner landscapes, bringing new dimensions and characters into the mix. Share your expectations and what you're hoping to see in this next chapter. It's crucial to simplify any nostalgic references, presenting them in a way that is clear and accessible for children. Using visual cues or straightforward explanations can help bridge the gap. Ensuring that the story remains focused on universal themes, like friendship, adventure, and personal growth, helps maintain relatability and keeps young audiences engaged. Balancing nostalgic elements with these core themes ensures they enhance rather than overshadow the story. Ultimately, nostalgia isn't central to the plot or character development. It might be best to consider removing it. Prioritizing elements that are directly relevant to the children's experiences and understanding will ensure the story remains engaging and impactful. Her elderly visage symbolizes the way nostalgia often makes one feel a sense of age and reflection. Her rose-colored glasses are a nod to the phrase, rose-tinted glasses, representing how nostalgia can make past experiences seem more idealized than they truly were. Additionally, the brown hues associated with nostalgia evoke sepia toning, a technique used to add warmth to photographs and preserve their contents, further emphasizing her role in cherishing and preserving memories. In Inside Out 2, nostalgia appears only twice, making her the least visible of all of Riley's emotions. Consequently, she is rarely featured in posters or advertisements for the film. Her limited appearances highlight why the other emotions, apart from the core 5, joy, sadness, anger, fear, and disgust, are less prominent. These core 5 are the primary emotions, while the new additions, including nostalgia, are considered secondary emotions, only emerging when necessary. This distinction is further illustrated when Riley's mother's counterpart to anxiety is shown emerging from behind a curtain, emphasizing that secondary emotions, like nostalgia, remain in the background until they are specifically needed. This concept harkens back to the original Inside Out film, where it was established that a total of 27 emotions reside in Riley's mind, with most of them residing in the background until called upon. Nostalgia is unique among the new emotions introduced in Inside Out 2 because her name is the only one that does not start with a vowel. Additionally, nostalgia, along with envy and embarrassment, is one of the few emotions whose color does not fall within the spectrum of the rainbow. Among these, nostalgia's color is the most neutral, whereas envy's color is a blend of green and blue, and embarrassment's hue falls between red and purple. Another distinguishing feature of nostalgia is that she is never depicted interacting with the console or inputting commands throughout the film. This sets her apart from the other emotions, emphasizing her unique role and presence within Riley's mind. I hope you liked this video. Please comment below on which character you'd like me to draw next. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye for now.